Thank you for the support. Sarin, Amador, thank you so much. Ako'y mag-e-end na po. 2 hours lang po ako. Ako'y magpapasalamat na po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta sa aking live. Thank you so much. Sis Rosette, thank you so much. Sa support po, thank you. Sir Noy, thank you sa patambay po, Sir Noy. Ate Hyde, Sis Sunrise, Sir Karaya, thank you. Sir Artisonart, thank you. Sir Dodong, thank you. Yung mga hindi ko naisabit, puntahan ko yung bahay nyo, manood ako ha. Ang sakit kasi yung dito, yung sa likod ko. Thank you so much, Sir Dodong, thank you. It's Jewel, thank you. Sir Tim Quadro, thank you so much. Sis Maribel, Sir Alvin, Sis Winnie, Sis Karen, thank you. Sis Netis, mega love shout out, thank you. Sis Gina, thank you. Puntahan ko na lang bahay mo ha. Sir Karya, thank you. Ilista ko muna si Nets. Sir Walkabout, thank you so much. Good night. Thank you for the blessings. And Sir Fox, thank you for sharing your blessing. Both of you, God bless you always. Thank you so much. Thank you. And Sis May, Blogger, thank you. Sir Ernie, thank you. Sis Aramia, Lugan, Sir Random, Sis Milad, Sir Nilson, Lizon Zong, thank you. Sir Dario, Sir Rams, and Sarin, thank you so much. Sir Karya, Sir Sis Netis, thank you so much. Si Sir Butato, Sis Kunyang, Sis L, Love Channel, Sir Esti, thank you. Sir Shamrock Shin, thank you. Sis Tabibing, thank you. And amigos, amigas, thank you. Sir AC, thank you. Sir Fidira, Sis Pinay, Sis Adi, Kuya Willie, thank you. Sir Biloy, Sis Gina, Preview Unit, Sis Lisa, Sandy Dakal, thank you. Sis Rose, Jamix Vlog, and Divine, thank you. Sis Jingy Vlog, thank you. Roma and Paris, thank you. Walking Tour in France, thank you. Sir D-Boy, Boss Henry, Sir Joby, Sir Gallery, Sis Eden, thank you. Sis Young, thank you so much. At sa lahat-lahat na po, yung mga bagong pasok po, thank you so much. Ayan, good night po. I love you all guys. Heart for everyone. Thank you so much for the support na walang sawa po. Thank you. See you on Wednesday. Thank you so much. God bless us all. Si Lord na pong magpala sa inyong mga channel at sa yung mga pamilya. Thank you so much. Bye-bye na po. Thank you. I love you all guys.